How to use the dashboard in Wix Studio. So as you can see right here, it has different interface than the Wix editor itself. So in order to go to the dashboard of your site, you can click on this all sites. So you can also see in here the sites or website that you have created on the Wix editor. So I have in here my other site, which is my site 5. I just need to head over and search in here for that. Now, as you can see right here, it will show up onto this template. So just click on that particular site, then it will load your dashboard. So here's the dashboard of to your Wix Studio. So it looks a little different, but only a little. We have in here our promotions, we have in here the upgrade, and we also have in here the Big Studio option. So the elements that we have as well as the settings that we have right here is different to the actual Wix editor. And then you can just go over to the settings right here if you want to actually use them. So that's how you use the dashboard in Wix Studio. Hope you helped.